Your cells are not passive, they are constantly aware. Every cell in your body runs quiet self-checks all the time. It checks its DNA for damage. It checks how much energy it has left. It checks whether its proteins are still folded correctly. And it listens for stress signals from the environment around it. Most of the time, when something goes wrong, the solution is simple. The cell repairs the damage and keeps going. This happens thousands of times every day, and you never notice it. But when the damage becomes too large, cells don't guess. They don't take chances. They activate safety systems. Some cells permanently stop dividing. Others destroy themselves entirely. That may sound extreme, but this is how the body prevents cancer. A damaged cell that shuts itself down is not a failure, it's a success. The real danger begins when damaged cells don't shut down. Sometimes, a cell keeps dividing, even though its DNA is broken. Each division carries small errors. Those errors accumulate. Over time, this is how cancer begins. This is how tissues lose function. This is how aging accelerates. From the body's perspective, death is not a single moment. It is not sudden. It is a long process, a gradual loss of healthy options. Cells that once repaired themselves easily now struggle. Cells that once shut down correctly fail to do so. By the time symptoms appear, pain, weakness, disease, this process has already been unfolding quietly for years. Your body didn't collapse overnight. It ran out of safe choices.